Chapter 14, Finding and Validating Profitable Ideas. Stop guessing and start knowing. One of the biggest reasons online businesses fail isn't because the founders are lazy or don't work hard enough. It's because they start with the wrong idea. They spend months building something that they think people will want, only to find out that nobody's interested in buying it. The truth is, you can avoid most of that pain by learning how to find and validate profitable ideas before you go all in. This isn't about guessing or following your gut. It's about using real data and feedback to know you're on the right track. The first thing to understand is that a good business idea isn't just something that sounds cool to you. It's something people are already paying for in some form. If nobody is spending money to solve the problem your idea addresses, it's going to be hard to sell. On the other hand, if you see people spending money in your niche, that's a sign there's demand. Your job is to figure out if you can offer something better, different, or more appealing than what's already out there. One of the easiest ways to start is by looking at your own skills, interests, and experiences. Ask yourself, what problems have I solved for myself or others? What do people often ask me for help with? What tools, products, or services do I use that could be improved? Many successful businesses start with founders solving their own problems because they understand the pain point better than anyone else. From there, you can research existing demand. Search for your idea on Google and see what comes up. Are there competitors selling similar products or services? Don't be discouraged if there are. In fact, that's a good sign. It means there's a market. No competition at all can often mean known demand. Check platforms like Amazon, Etsy, Fiverr, Udemy, or AppSumo to see what's selling well in your category. Look at reviews to find what people like and dislike. Those dislikes are opportunities for you to create something better. Another powerful tool for idea validation is keyword research. Using tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, or even the search bar autocomplete on Google or YouTube, you can see exactly what people are searching for and how often. If thousands of people are searching for best budget video editing software every month, that's a signal there's demand for solutions in that area. If almost nobody is searching for your idea, you might be looking at a niche that's too small. Social media is another goldmine for validation. Search for relevant hashtags, join Facebook groups, or browse Reddit communities related to your niche. Pay attention to the questions people are asking, the frustrations they share, and the products they recommend to each other. This gives you unfiltered insight into what your target audience actually wants and what they're struggling to find. Once you've spotted a promising idea, the next step is testing it with a small, low-risk experiments. This could be as simple as creating a landing page describing your product or service and running a small ad campaign to see if people click and sign up for more information. You can offer a pre-sale where customers pay upfront for early access, or create a basic minimum viable product, also known as MVP, to see if people will actually pull out their wallets. The goal here is to get real-world confirmation that people are willing to pay for your idea, not just say they like it. It's important to listen to the market without letting it kill your vision entirely. Sometimes people won't know they want something until they see it. But even in those cases, you can still test parts of your idea. For example, if you have a new type of productivity tool, you could test specific features or concepts in smaller forms, like templates or guides, before building the full software. The biggest trap to avoid is falling in love with your idea before the market has confirmed it. Many entrepreneurs waste time and money building something in isolation, only to discover too late that nobody wants it. If you can detach your ego from the idea and treat it like a hypothesis to be tested, you'll make smarter decisions and waste less time. Finding and validating profitable ideas is a skill you can use over and over. Every time you want to launch a new product, service, or business, you can go through this process to make sure you're not just guessing. The more you practice, the faster you'll be able to spot opportunities and know which ones are worth pursuing. And once you have a validated idea, you can move forward with confidence, knowing you're building something people already want, which is the most important foundation for making money online.